Welcome to our comparison of two leading countertop nugget ice makers. Today, we will be looking at the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Both machines promise to deliver soft, chewable ice, perfect for your favorite beverages. We'll dive into their features, performance, and what sets them apart so you can make an informed choice. Let's get started. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is designed for reliability and quick ice production, capable of producing its first batch in just 7 to 10 minutes. It features a user-friendly interface and a robust alloy steel construction. On the other hand, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop emphasizes compact design and operates at a whisper-quiet level of 43 decibels, making it perfect for noise-sensitive environments. Both machines are excellent choices, but they cater to different needs. When it comes to specifications, both machines have a daily production capacity of 35 pounds of ice. The EUHOMY model has a slightly larger footprint but offers a robust build. In contrast, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is designed to fit into tighter spaces while maintaining the same ice production capabilities. Both units feature self-cleaning functions, ensuring easy maintenance. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is praised for its value and robust construction, making it a dependable choice for families. However, it may be louder during operation. Conversely, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is celebrated for its compact design and quiet operation, but it comes at a slightly higher price. Each product has its strengths and weaknesses, catering to different preferences. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop offer excellent features for producing nugget ice. If you prioritize a quieter operation and compact size, the Nugget Ice Maker Countertop may be the better choice for you. However, if you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective option, the EUHOMY model stands out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.